Hello everyone, this is Said and welcome to Andhra Codes. Welcome to the another lecture of our complete Python course. In this lecture we are going to discuss about nested if. So let's get started. A nested if means placing one if statement inside another if statement. It simply means that you can place an if conditional statement inside another if conditional statement. That's why it's called as nested. That means that you can place an if statement inside another if statement. For example, here you can see here is the if statement, right? That is if and condition. Inside this if statement, I have another if statement, right? So that is called as nested if. When an if conditional statement is placed inside another if conditional statement. So this one is called as outer if statement and this one is inner if statement, right? As it is placed inside the outer if statement. Now the inner if, which means this one, executes only if the outer if condition is true. So which means if this condition becomes true, only then this condition will execute. If somehow this condition becomes false, then this condition also will not execute. So this inner if conditional statement completely depends on what? Outer if conditional statement. Now consider an example. Say for example we have to develop a program that is eligibility for loan. And there are two conditions for this. That is, a candidate should be 18 years of age and the candidate's monthly salary should be of 20,000 or more than 20,000, right? A candidate's age should be greater than 18 and the salary should be greater than 20,000, right? So if those two conditions satisfy, we have to print loan granted, right? Very simple. Now you can see that here the output of the program, that is loan granted, depends on those two conditions. So whenever anything depends on multiple conditions or two or more conditions that are related to one another, we generally use nested if statements. First of all, tell me one thing. Can you make this program using if-else statements? Any possibility of doing that? Let's see. Let's first try to make it using our regular if conditional statements, not nested if statements. So I will simply create two variables, that is age and integer and input, and inside I will write enter your age \n. So I created a variable that is called as age. Since our program needs two things, that is age and monthly salary, right? Now similarly, I will create for the monthly salary and enter your salary, right? That's it. So now tell me, is there any possibility that we can create this program and logic using the if conditional statements? If age is greater than 18, then we have to print something. What will we print? Because we just need to print one statement, that is loan granted, right? And if statement generally takes a single condition, that is age greater than 18. So how would we implement those two conditions in a single if statement? Is there any possibility of implementing two conditions inside a single if conditional statement? If you use if statement directly, you cannot implement multiple conditions in it. But here is a catch. Can someone tell me how we can implement it using if conditional statements? We have already learned about operators. So we will simply use and operator here. And what? And sorry, there should be no spaces between the variable name, okay? Monthly salary greater than 20,000, right? That's it. Now see the logic here. I created the two variables age and monthly salary. Then I said if age is greater than 18 and monthly salary is greater than 27, then print what? Loan granted. That's what my program wants, right? That was our logic. That was our problem, right? That if a candidate is more than 18 years old and plus there are two requirements. Monthly salary should be more than 20k, then print loan granted. That's it. Our program is actually done. But directly, if you don't use AND operator here, that is I am using AND operator here, then we cannot directly implement multiple conditions in the if statement without using the operators. But with operators, you can use it, right? So this is the one way of creating this kind of logic. Using if statements, but we have to use operators. Let's create the similar program but using the concept of nested if statements. What? That is if statement within another if statement. So first of all, I can create those variables, that is age and monthly salary. Very similar to our previous program. After that, I will write the first condition, that is if age greater than 18 and enter. Now here I do not want to use the operators. So I will use nested if statements. How? I will create another if statement here and I will write what here? If monthly salary is greater than what? 20,000. Then print what? Loan granted. See, this is the concept of nested if statements. Here I have a single if statement and inside this if conditional statement I have another if conditional statement. That is called as nested if statement. Whenever you use if statements inside another if statement. Now the logic is very simple. First I make the two variables. Now the program moves to this line and it will first check whether my age is greater than 18 or not. It moves to this line and will check if monthly salary is greater than 20,000. And if it is, then it will print loan granted. Now tell me one thing. If my age is less than 18, that is 15, 12, 10, will this condition execute or not? No. This will not execute at all. This complete condition depends entirely on its outer loop, that is outer if conditional. On its outer if conditional statement, that is this. So remember, inner if conditional statement only runs when its outer if conditional statement satisfies the condition. Now someone will tell me what is the difference between those two things. Well, I would say the difference is nothing. Difference is simply the way you want to create your program. This way it is more professional, it is more cleaner, it's more readable. So nested if conditions are used when the conditions are dependent on one another, like username, password, age, salary for this bank account program. While as if you use multiple things in if conditional statement using operators, generally we use that for those programs where the conditions does not depend on one another. And then you can write here else to just improve the program, print loan not granted. So if this condition becomes false, that is age equals to 18, this entire block will not execute, this entire block will be skipped and this block will run. Similarly, you can write here also else print. See, different programs on the same problem. The goal of program is not to just create a logic and to create a software that is working. The goal also includes to make our program more professional, more readable. Otherwise, there are thousands of ways to create a single logic. You could create this program using different techniques depending upon your skills, depending upon your vision, right? So let's try to run both the programs. Let's see the first one first. See, this program first tells me enter your age. I will write my age, for example, 25 and salary 40,000. See, loan granted. If somehow your age is below 18, like 10, and salary, for example, just 20,000, loan not granted. Simple. Let's try the one with nested if statements. Again, run the program, enter your age, say for example 19. So okay, enter your salary 50,000, loan granted. Same resultant, same output. Again, try to run the program, enter your age, for example just 7. I'm just 7 years old. Enter your salary, loan not granted. But here in this case you can see it just needs to check the initial condition. After that, if it gets failed, like if it gets failed somehow, like in this case, like I entered my age 7, so the entire block will be skipped and my else block will run. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for being with me. See you in the next lecture.